Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Hollywood highlighter is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products on the market, promising that coveted dewy, radiant glow that mimics the luminosity of a red carpet star. Its ability to catch the light and sculpt facial features has made it a staple in makeup bags worldwide, offering a transformative effect that can elevate any look from everyday to extraordinary. Whether you're aiming for a subtle sheen or a blinding strobe, this iconic product delivers unparalleled brilliance, making it a must-have for anyone looking to achieve that signature Hollywood-inspired radiance. Number 5. Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls, Beige Pearl. Discover the Physicians Formula Powder Palette Mineral Glow Pearls. Achieve a silky smooth and radiant finish with this hypoallergenic face powder. Its unique formula glides on effortlessly, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and looking luminous. This powder is designed to enhance your natural beauty. We understand sensitive skin. That's why this face powder is hypoallergenic, making it suitable for even the most delicate complexions. The Beige Pearl shade offers a subtle yet beautiful shimmer. It's perfect for adding a touch of radiance to any makeup look. This Mineral Glow Pearls powder is your new go-to for a healthy, lit-from-within glow. Experience the difference it makes. Get ready to shine with a natural-looking radiance. It's the perfect addition to your makeup routine for an effortless, beautiful finish. What we like? This offers a beautiful, natural radiance. Its mineral formula is gentle and provides a silky smooth feel. If you're looking for an everyday glow that enhances your features subtly, this is a great choice. What people say. This highlighter is a game changer for achieving a radiant glow. The formula is incredibly blendable and melts into the skin seamlessly. It provides a beautiful, natural-looking luminosity that isn't glittery. Number 4. Wet n Wild MegaGlo Blushlighter Set. Discover the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Blushlighter, a revolutionary duo that combines the best of blush and highlighter. Achieve a radiant glow with this unique blend. Its incredibly blendable formula allows for seamless application, letting you customize your look with ease. Effortlessly transition from a subtle flush to a striking highlight. Experience a stunning shimmery metallic finish that catches the light beautifully. This product adds a touch of glamour to any makeup routine. Get ready to shine with its highlight and bling effect. It's perfect for creating that extra pop and making your features stand out. This versatile set is your new go-to for achieving a luminous complexion. Elevate your makeup game with this must-have beauty essential. What we like? Get a dual effect with this blendable duo. It delivers a striking, shimmery metallic finish that catches the light. If you love a bold, high-impact look and want to combine blush and highlight in one step, this is perfect for you. What people say. This highlighter is amazing, it gives you a perfect glow. I love how this highlighter looks on my skin, it's very natural. The packaging is beautiful and the highlighter itself is very pigmented. Number 3. FOCALLURE 3 PCS Cream Contour Sticks. Achieve a perfectly sculpted look with our cream contour sticks. This versatile set includes shades for highlighting, bronzing, and blushing. Experience a non-greasy, long-wear formula that feels incredibly lightweight on your skin. It's designed to sculpt your face beautifully without feeling heavy. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to define and enhance your features. Create dimension and a radiant finish with ease. Our cream contour pens are designed for effortless application. You can easily sculpt your face to create a polished, lightweight makeup finish. Whether you want a subtle definition or a more dramatic contour, these sticks make it simple. Achieve a professional-looking finish every time. This set includes the versatile medium shade, perfect for a wide range of skin tones. It blends seamlessly for a natural-looking result. What we like? This set provides an effortless way to sculpt your face. The creamy, non-greasy formula makes application a breeze. If you're new to contouring or prefer a quick and easy way to define your features with highlighter, bronzer, and blush, this is ideal. What people say. This highlighter is amazing, it gives you a beautiful glow and is very pigmented. I love how blendable this highlighter is, it melts into the skin and doesn't leave any harsh lines. The packaging is also very luxurious and feels high-end. Number 2. Glow Kit 4 Color Illuminator. Unleash your natural glow with our versatile palette. It features 4 stunning shades to enhance your features. Achieve a luminous complexion that lasts. The finely milled powders blend seamlessly for a natural, radiant finish. Define and accentuate your best features with this multi-use palette. Create dimension and add a touch of warmth to your look. Experience a range of finishes, from subtle shimmer to a soft matte. Perfect for any occasion and desired effect. This is the ultimate tool for achieving a healthy, sun-kissed look. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential addition. Fall in love with the way it makes your skin look and feel. It's designed to bring out your most beautiful self. What we like? Explore multiple looks with this versatile palette. It includes both matte and shimmer finishes for both highlighting and bronzing. If you enjoy experimenting with different shades and finishes to customize your glow, this palette offers great variety. What people say. The Hollywood highlighter is a game changer for achieving a radiant glow. Its finely milled formula blends seamlessly into the skin, providing a natural-looking luminosity without any chalkiness. I love how versatile this highlighter is. It can be used on the high points of the face, like cheekbones and brow bones, to catch the light beautifully. It also works wonders as an inner corner highlight for brighter eyes. The packaging is sleek and luxurious, making it a beautiful addition to any makeup collection. The mirror inside is also a great feature for on-the-go touch-ups. Number 1. Elizabeth Mott Show Me Your Glow Highlighter. Discover the Elizabeth Mott Show Me Your Glow, a versatile 2-in-1 powder. It's designed to give you a natural, radiant look. This product works beautifully as both a powder highlighter and a shimmer eyeshadow. Achieve a luminous champagne glow that enhances your features. Get that perfect natural face glow effortlessly. It's formulated to illuminate your complexion with a subtle shimmer. Feel good about what you're using. It's proudly cruelty-free and free from parabens, ensuring a clean beauty experience. With 10G of product, it's your new go-to for achieving a radiant look every day. Experience the glow for yourself. What we like? Achieve a sophisticated, natural glow with this dual-purpose product. It works beautifully as both a face highlighter and an eyeshadow. If you appreciate a subtle, illuminating champagne shade and want a product that can do double duty for a polished look, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This highlighter is amazing, it gives a beautiful glow. The formula is very pigmented and blends out smoothly. It lasts all day without fading. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.